Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, guys, we are making mussels. These mussels are pre-cooked, guys, so let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Here are the ingredients you'll need: pre-cooked mussels, tomatoes, butter, salt and black pepper, shallots, green onions, tomato paste, lemon juice, minced garlic and lemon zest. And these mussels, they are pre-cooked, guys. Start by melting butter in a large pan with a lid over medium heat. As soon as the butter begins to bubble, stir in the shallots. We're gonna add garlic, we're gonna also add tomato paste. Give it a good stir. Add chopped green onions and continue to stir for about a minute. Add white wine, give it a good stir until everything is mixed thoroughly. Next, we're gonna add the tomatoes. We're gonna also add lemon zest. Continue to cook for another 1 minute, stirring occasionally. Next, we are going to add mussels. Season with salt and black pepper. Cover with the lid and let it simmer on a medium-low heat for 3 minutes. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. The mussels are ready now. We're gonna serve them on a plate. Garnish with parsley and serve with bread of your choice. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. It's so easy to make, easy to follow. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please, guys, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.